Hey there, thank you so much for taking an interest in my ad, and I hope it really resonated with you. You see, if you're someone who is interested in starting an online business or developing your passive income streams or travel the world while working out of a laptop, then you know what? You're going to want to pay special attention to this video. Hi, I'm Alex Toledo, and I help people just like you start an online publishing business. I have developed a the most comprehensive online self-publishing course in the industry. You see, in my course, it's called I Publish Ghostwriters. In my course, it doesn't matter that you're not a writer, an author. It doesn't matter that you have no prior experience. In my course, I take you step by step and introduce you to nonfiction publishing. This by no means is drop shipping or an MLM marketing scam. This is a real business, a real digital asset. In the course, I teach you to first understand the marketplace. You see, when you go onto Google or you go onto Yahoo or Amazon, most of the time you're searching for a solution to a problem. Nonfiction books work the same way. I first teach you to understand the market by understanding keywords and what people are looking for, what people are starving for. Once we know what they want, we have ghostwriters write books for us. So everything that we do, we outsource. We have the books written by ghostwriters. We have the book covers designed by contractors. We have the people who take the books and record them onto audio, the producers outsource. So we outsource everything. In the course, I teach you how to start publishing in all of these different niches and develop a digital, what I call a digital portfolio. And once your digital portfolio starts to grow, the passive income is for life, right? Because these books are on all of these platforms, not only here in the US, but internationally as well. So you have, for example, you have Amazon in the UK, you have Amazon in Spain and Italy and France. Your books will go on to, let's say, Walmart, Barnes and Nobles. You see, in today's age, people can order your book from Amazon either down to their phone, to their Kindle, to their iPads, or they could just order your book and have it printed on demand and it gets shipped right to their home. In fact, we make the most money on printed books, and we make even more money on Audible books, on audible.com. You see, in the course, I teach you how to place your book in multiple distribution channels. In fact, our books also get translated into Spanish, French, Portuguese, Italian, and the list goes on. I get it. Some of you are thinking, another course, another marketing guru. I'm not a marketing guru. In fact, for the last several years, I've been traveling the US as a registered nurse. While I was traveling the country, I was also obtaining my master's degree. So I have a master's in nursing. And while I was doing both of those things, I was flying back home to Florida to see my kids every single month. So I get them every weekend, once a weekend per month. So in addition to that, I started this publishing business because I wanted more. I didn't want the ceiling of a salary. I wanted to spend time with my kids. I wanted financial freedom, and I wanted to build passive income streams. So for the last several years, I've grown my portfolio, what we all call in the space digital assets, because they're there collecting, just like real estate property. These books are there for life, and they just collect sales, and the stream of income just comes in. So for the last 3 years, I've been able to build my business where I don't have to work anywhere. I am currently doing my doctorate work in nursing health systems because I want to, but I'm not working anywhere. So you know what? When I was traveling the country and I had started this business, and I met so many wonderful nurses who should have been retired, but had to go back to the workforce because their husband was not working and they needed the income. I mean, I met so many nurses like this throughout the country. I promised them, I said, you know what? when I make it in this business, I'm going to go back and I'm going to build a course for everyone out there to do what I'm able to do. And in fact, this is not hard. It's not hard. It's just a matter of taking action. So in the course, I teach you from A to Z how to find the niches, how to publish, where to put the books, from A to Z. It's the most comprehensive course in the industry. I promise you. You know why I promise? Because I have purchased all of the courses. I wanted to see what others were doing. But you know what? My course is just for you. I've made it so there's no guessing, there's no hiding. Everything is in there that you need in order to succeed. I get it. You might have some doubts, but you know what? This is a real business opportunity. On the one hand, you're gonna feel, or you might feel, depressed going into work every morning, or working for somebody else's dream and not yours. Or you could feel that fear and procrastination are not letting you move forward. Or you could feel that you're not making enough money every single month. Or you could step up and take massive action. And by doing that, you're gonna get the support and the education that you need to finally succeed. And so, listen, I have built a multi-six-figure income from self-publishing. And that's not the impressive part. I did it while I traveled the country from job to job every several months as a travel nurse. I built my business that way. So if I could do it under those circumstances, then I'm sure anybody could do it if they want to. Listen, I would love to help you. If any of this that I'm saying to you right now resonates with you, if you get a feeling that what I'm saying to you is true, that I'm a true person, I would just say, you know what? Go down, click, set up a call with one of our guys or girls. Set up a call and see if this is a real fit for you. That's all I'm saying. I would love to help you. I would love to see you on the inside.